Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are at Belize City Council Hot Cross Bun Fest. I hope that you guys are ready to enjoy this video because this video was made specially for you to see. This video was recorded on April 2nd, 2023. It was a great day for friends and family to enjoy the Easter holiday. They had so many things on sale. They had Easter egg hunts, they had games, they had play areas. It was really nice. So I went ahead and I took a walk around the area because I just wanted to see the different activities that they had going on, and I also wanted to just share with you guys what went on that day. I really wish I had came out a little earlier as well, just to see how it was looking before. Real quick guys, if you haven't followed me on Instagram or TikTok, you guys could do so now. The link is in my bio as well. And also don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment. These things help a lot, so I would really appreciate it if you do. So there were two sides. One side was for the activities with the kids and so forth, and the other side was for the hot cross buns, beers, drink, and so much more. I went around and I looked at each table. They had nice gift baskets, they had bun on sale, they had plants on sale as well, they had jewelry, hair, chips and dips, as well as chains and books. Everything was out here, so everyone got to walk around and purchase what they wanted to purchase and enjoy the nice hot sun because it was very sunny. But it was also an amazing day to be out with your family and friends, as I mentioned before. I wanted to try something new and I went over here to get a little drink. It wasn't my cup of tea, but it was okay. Not something I would purchase again, but I just wanted that back experience type of thing because everybody was talking about this whole in the pouch type of drink, and I tried it and it was okay. Now for the main event, they were just tasting and grading and judging the buns to see who the winner will be. And in the meantime, I just took a walk at the back just to enjoy the breeze by the seaside before coming back to hear the results.
All of them buns taste good. All of them buns taste good. So at the end of the day, we'll have no losers here today. Respect.
I like that. You heard it yourself from the mayor himself. Man say anything nice, yeah, what happened, right?
I'll get you friends like her. That's how you roll, right? That's how you roll. Right?
Alright, now Miss Donna has won herself $50 gift certificate courtesy of VIP Wireless. Congratulations. Our second place winner goes to... Yeah, I do my own drum roll, sorry. Miss Nancy Sambula. Congratulations, that's right. Miss Nancy is the winner of $150 cash. Last but not least, our first place winner. Just cause come to say you longer. First place winner goes to Miss Natasha Lewis. Congratulations. That's right, that's right, that's right. But hold on. Hold on. I want you guys to understand something. Mia, you have some words that you'd like to say? Of course, hold on.
My brother, like I tell you today, everybody will win. Everybody have to win, right? And so we got prizes for everybody who participated in this first ever Easter Bun Fest. Everybody have to win. You are give out the prizes. Respect.
So everybody gets a prize. I put my hand in some of the flour, so I get a prize too. All right, so from third place moving down, so our third place winner, you got your $50 gift certificate courtesy of VIP Wireless. But the mayor has said that everybody is a winner. So along with your $50 gift certificate, you're getting $100 cash. Fourth place gets $100 cash. Fifth place, $100 cash. Sixth place, $100 cash. First place, that's right. Congratulations. All right, and that's Miss Natasha Lewis.
So these people were literally out there making the bun from scratch. I wanted to place my order, but when I went, it was all finished. I was so upset. But anyways, it was so nice to watch them, you know, roll that dough and bake it. Yeah, it was really nice. It was really, really nice. So I went back over to the fun part and I was trying to hit this thing so that this man could go down, but my hands are really not straight. Sad, really, really sad. This was by far my favorite part. I don't know, something about that foam. I just enjoyed it. I was literally playing in it. At this point, I wish I was a kid all over again. Then I headed over to the area where there were face painting and balloon making and all these good stuff. The event started at 11 a.m. and ended at 7 p.m. I had fun and it was time for me to leave. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video because I did. Always remember to stay true to yourself because there's no one in this world that's better than you. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Anthos says to tell a friend to subscribe to her channel. Until next time, guys. Peace.